these were very strong numbers. Clearly, investors are a bit worried about, constraints on growth given the capacity concerns.
Yeah, maybe a lot of this good news was priced in, but those numbers, as you say, very strong, and the market was expecting great things, and great things were indeed delivered. 1.43 billion Aussie dollars, that's about 950 million US, just shy of expectations, and reverses that really heavy loss of more than 400 million that we saw for the same period last year. No interim dividend, nothing was really expected there, but there has been another share buyback to the tune of 500 million Aussie dollars. That's on top of another buyback that was announced, the last earnings announcement back in August. Fuel costs obviously continue to be an issue for Qantas. 4.8 billion Aussie is the expectation for costs for the full year. The wages bill also expected to be around $4 billion. But Alan Joyce saying that those costs are expected to come down over the next few months of the rest of the financial year. Fares also seem moderating, which is good news for anyone who's tried to buy a plane ticket recently. Alan Joyce saying those will be coming back to normal as competition and capacity start to return to pre-pandemic levels.
Yeah, tell us a little bit about that outlook about capacity.
Yeah, in terms of domestic capacity, we're almost back to where we were before that whole COVID thing, and capacity expected to be at about 103% of pre-pandemic levels by the second half. International capacity is going to take a little bit longer. That's seen at 81% in the second half. Qantas, like many airlines, continuing to grapple with all sorts of shortages, from spare parts to staff as well. New planes will also be on the way for Qantas. It's exercising its rights for another 9 A220-300 aircraft. Now has firm orders for 29 planes, which will arrive in fiscal year 26-27. Lounge upgrades as well for Hong Kong and Heathrow, as Qantas looks ahead to the much anticipated Project Sunrise, those London to Sydney non-stop flights due to start 2025.